Welcome back to the TechMoto channel and a new series on our channel which is based on a new workshop. So my wife took over my garage to build a physiotherapy clinic, and so my motorbikes and everything's in the house at the moment, so I need a new space. So I thought I'd make a custom space for making YouTube videos on carpentry and electronics and all sorts of other stuff. And so this video is the first video in the series of preparing for that log cabin, and I want to share the journey with you. So we've got a plot of land that is currently forest. It's covered in plants and shrubs and bits and pieces. So first thing to do is to clear that and make a flat area for the log cabin. The cabin I've chosen is a marina, which is sold by a company called Quick Gardens. It's 8 meters by 6 meters. It's rather large, but it'll be big enough for a decent sized workshop and garage space for the motorbikes. The inside of the cabin is quite spacious. It's actually got quite a few windows on it as well, so there'll be a lot of natural light, which will be perfect for recording my YouTube videos. So the first thing to do is to get the land flat, and because our whole house is on a hill, that's quite a big task, so we're going to get the digger in. So that's it, 4 days, 5 days of hard work, shifting gravel and sand and railway sleepers and all sorts of other things. But the flat patch is done and prepared. A few more bits and pieces to do before the log cabin can arrive, but job done. If you want to follow this series, please do like and subscribe, hit the bell icon. We will be building the log cabin when it arrives, and then a whole host of videos building a workshop. So stay tuned, join me on the journey, and I'll see you in the next one.